I'm going to lay down on a surface, pointing the head to the side and palms up and just tucked in. And then I'm going to slowly pull my head up and take my palms and put them on and slowly grab my head up and come back down. And start in the same position as before. And take 3 deep breaths. Yeah. So now we're going to be doing the bow pose. Yeah. So we're going to start in the same way as the cobra, just with the head pointed to the side, arms tucked in, and we're going to just take our feet and separate them, and then slowly taking one hand, grabbing both of them, and then slowly coming with your head up and push yourself back. And then slowly come back down and start in the same position. Yeah. Yeah, we're just going to do the tree pose now. So we'll start with our right or left foot onto the surface, and we're going to take it with the ball of the foot and grip it on. And then slowly we're going to take our other foot and grab it on and just tuck it in over here, and then get your arms together. It's tricky. Yeah. And then slowly come up. Yeah. And then slowly we're going to come back down. Sorry? Okay, and then the other side, yeah. So we're going to grip it on, take our other foot and try to just get it in, get our arms here, and slowly bring it up to your head. And then come back down. Yeah. So the end of the tree pose, yeah. Thank you.
So much, everybody, and I hope you enjoy.
Thank you.
All of this, I want to mention one last wonderful thanks to the company that helped me pronounce it. That is Melissa and her husband, They have provided us lovely stage decor here